video last Sunday, bundle of applications arrest, and I said Lincoln Magistrates Court sent bundles. It was then 2 bundles of applications arrest. It's now been 3 bundles, and I said what's going to happen is, because they sent it to the Chief Magistrate's office, a judge called Deputy Senior District Judge Tan Ikram will shut down the prosecutions. Funny enough, the next day, Monday the 1st of June, I got this email and it says, your applications attached were forwarded to our office. They were considered by the Deputy Chief Magistrate. I write with the outcome of all 7 applications, the applications have been found refused. The judge's reasons are as follows. I have considered each of these applications and I have found that there is no evidence submitted that could properly mount a prima facie case. I also told you that Tan Ikram is featured on a few videos from a channel called Crimebodge. If I remember correctly, the last one was the cop the establishment tried to protect. And despite being shown video of crimes committed by the police, Tan Ikram just sits there, watches the video and says there is no prima facie evidence. And last week I told you he'll shut down these applications. The very next day he did exactly that. One of the applications in the first bundle I sent was against a High Court judge called Pushpinder Singh Sinai, and I attached the application arrest to a criminal indictment listing the crimes he committed. I also included an unlawful restraining order, and I hope you can see, well, I don't think you saw it, but it's against the judge. Myself and Ikram Anwar. Ikram Anwar is a district judge at Lincoln County Court, And what did I say in the last video at the end? I said the police, the courts and the prosecution service cover up each other's crimes and they aid and abet each other's crimes. And Tan Ikram, with all this information, and this is just a photocopy of a photocopy that I sent, this is called prima facie evidence. Prima facie just means evidence at first sight, and it says there is no prima facie evidence. There you go. I found no evidence submitted. They were considered by the Deputy Chief Magistrate. I told you, Tanweer Ikram, and I told you they didn't get it on the 22nd. They didn't have the hearing or consider the applications on the 22nd. They did it on the 1st, the day after. And with all the other bundles of arrest, he's going to say the same thing. Tan Ikram is going to blatantly lie and say there is no prima facie evidence. And the High Court says, as long as the magistrate says there is no prima facie evidence, you cannot do anything about it. So the crimes committed by Tan Ikram, like I said to you the day before, on the Sunday, perverting the course of justice, maximum sentence life imprisonment, Section 12 Perjury Act 1911, maximum sentence 7 years, assisting offenders Section 4 subsection 1 of the Criminal Law Act 1967, and misconduct in public office, maximum sentence life in prison, again with the prima facie evidence. Says there is no prima facie evidence or lack of it. Oh, I can see it, you can see it. Unlawful restraining order made claims. There you go. And I told you about this judge as well at the High Court. Because this is against one of these, I don't remember all four of them, one of them was against Chief Constable of Lincolnshire Police, Ikram I, well, obviously that's two, City of Lincoln Council and Commissioner of Police and Metropolis, Sir Mark Rowley. That's what those four are for. And Master of the King's Bench, Richard Armstrong, said, don't know what you're talking about. And then Pushpinder Honourable, there's nothing honourable about him. And where is the justice? Put an unlawful civil restraining order on me. And it says these applications have been vexatious and or abuse of process. What do you mean and or? Is it one or the other? And or legally incoherent. You say you don't know then, you're just making things up. Lying. Section 12 of the Perjury Act, mate. 7 years in prison. Okay, so it says, unless restrained, Aaron Marcus Lambert likes to issue further applications and or appeals, which are without merit. Well, this is for trials, these four cases, so surely the jury is capable of making that conclusion, no? Yes? Am I right or am I wrong? Sure, it's the job of the jury to do that, not these judges doing what I keep saying they're doing. The police, the courts and the prosecution service cover up each other's crimes and they aid and abet each other's crimes.